I'm Dave, together with the KNOPF team. We're really excited to be back on Kickstarter again to introduce our second collection, the KNOPF APEX. We want everyone to enjoy a KNOPF watch, but those Swiss-made prices can be a barrier to many of our customers. The solution to Swiss-made pricing is to build right here in the USA. By doing that, we're creating a sustainable model for manufacturing. This allows us to maintain the highest quality without the inflated cost.
To address the issue of watch size and comfort, we're focusing on a 40mm case. This size strikes the perfect balance. It's versatile and comfortable on most wrists. It's large enough to make a statement, but not so bulky that it sacrifices wearability.
When it comes to sports watches, there's an issue we keep seeing. Too many of them are designed just as sports watches. They end up being one-dimensional, and they limit the versatility of the wearer. We're creating a watch with true versatility. We want our watches to be suitable for any occasion, from formal to casual. With easily interchangeable straps, we can adapt the watch to fit your style effortlessly.
Your enthusiasm and pledges are what drive us forward.
We're grateful for every contribution, and we're so excited to bring the KNOPF APEX to market with your help.
Please continue to support us by making your pledge and sharing our project with others.